Unraveling Idioms. Understanding dead in the water. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, dead in the water. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets behind this intriguing idiom. Dead in the water is an idiom that originally comes from nautical terminology. Imagine a ship or a boat that has stopped moving and is stuck on the water without any means of propulsion. It's literally dead in the water. It can't move forward. In everyday English, this phrase metaphorically means a situation, plan, or project that has ceased to progress and has little or no chance of success or recovery. It's used to describe something that has stalled or failed and can't continue. To better understand dead in the water, let's look at some examples. 1. Business context. If a company's new product fails to attract customers, we might say, the product launch is dead in the water. It just isn't appealing to our target market. 2. Personal plans. Imagine you planned a picnic, but it started raining heavily. You could say, our picnic plans are dead in the water unless this rain stops soon. 3. Political scenario. In politics, if a bill or a policy proposal is unlikely to get approved, one might comment, this bill is dead in the water. It doesn't have enough support. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios to indicate something that is stalled or unsuccessful. When using dead in the water, it's important to use it in contexts where a plan, project, or idea has stopped progressing. Avoid confusion with literal interpretations. It's a metaphorical expression, not a comment on physical situations. Pair it with a tone that reflects disappointment or acknowledgement of a failure or a halt. Understanding idioms like dead in the water is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. It adds color and depth to your language skills, helping you express complex situations with just a few words. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful in your journey of mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.